good afternoon, Megan Rose. Welcome to Ready. Walang kaya. Ayan, kasagya para kay Gina. Ay, nakuha na naman ni Gino. Okay. Alam, para tayo pa rin ako sa Gino yun. Sino kaya mananalo? Mahabol kaya ng cross size? Ay, kapatid dito kayo.
Ganang size. Ganang size. Maliit lang yung size. Ang mayarong din yun.
Our best player of the game. Rosana, jersey number 20. With a 21 points and rebound, 3 assists, 1 block, and 1 assist. Rosana, hindi ka nasabi, hindi ka ba ng nilogrado?
Oh.
Rosana na lang sa principal.
Gabriel.
Dahil ikaw ay may kaso. Kaso ng balakot sa nakaso.
Gabriel.
Our next game represents Young Street, Canton Boys and Canton Boys and Brown Boys.
Send us below.
Bali, ito ang isa na ng gana. Ay, hagad kay Ian, kabayo rin.
Have people there. People there. Gabriel. Kailan na kusuhay. Tama na yan, tama na. Tama na, Gab! Tama na, Gab! Hindi ka na kusuhay.
Hindi mo si Bruno kusuhay ka na.
Thank you for the 16 people in the house. Thank you so much. It's a lot quieter. Okay. Quieter. Thank you for the 16 people. 18. Hello. Thank you for watching. 16 people in the house. Thank you so much. How are you guys? 17. Guys! Come on, guys. Don't flirt. Hit the like button. Thank you. Thank you, Tim.
Turok tres na patron na ulo. Ay, patron na ba ito? Tres na tres.
Turok 3. 3 yan. Turok 3A, 3B ma. Kaya may
May magkalakan pansit canton tapos ay sarapan lubar ang mata ni ni Maria Aida.
dito sira. Ay, magkano kasi. Nagaramp, eh. 3A, may 3A, may 3B. Thank you for the 9 people in the house. Tap your screen. Why? Why I need to talk? I need to talk. Hi, Kyle. What means? I need to tap your screen. What it means, Kyle, Ethan, Royal. What do you mean? Thank you for the 10 people in the house. Thank you so much. Goodness talaga siya. Guys, this is an English speaking channel. Thank you for the 7, 8. Yeah. What was he doing? They playing Ash. Playing. Thank you, so thumbs up. My goodness. My goodness talaga. Nagkakainis ang buhay. I love you. I love you too. I love you. The say you love me too. Eat a lot tonight. Yes, I eat a lot tonight. That's good. Thank you for the thumbs up and the people here. Thank you for joining the live. Thank you guys. Ay. Aray. Hi, Manuel. Hello, Manuel. Manuel Santos. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the help. Ay, bawal na nag-iiyak na bata. Wow, it's so beautiful. Hi, Rodrigo. Thank you for joining here. You have a work today? You have a work. Are you working today? Good evening, flower baby. All good. That's good, Rodrigo. Dance with me. Yahoo! Tip tip like a pig. Sugat. Wait lang. Magibang beautiful you friend. Thank you, Rodrigo. Part there, no, basketball league here. Basketball league. League. Leg. Leg. Ano ba? Pag-pronounce. Leg. Leg. Oh, ang hirap. Basketball. 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 Very good. My pronunciation is not good. Basketball. Basket. Basket. Basketball. Basketball. Yes, basketball. You're playing. No, I'm not playing. Like and subscribe. Thank you, Zico. Thank you. Kim, hello my friend. From Rodrigo. Thank you for joining the live here. Thank you so much. Hi from team. Hello sa inyo. Hello to all. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat sa nag-thumbs up. Thank you to those who give the thumbs up. Thank you sa inyo. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Angel face. Return to work. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Take care at your work. God bless. Stay safe, Rodrigo. Thank you for joining here. My team from Rodrigo. Bye bye. See you next live. Bye, Filipinos. Hugs from Brazil. Thank you, Rodrigo. Shout out from Philippines to Brazil. Thank you. Hi, Stack. Hello, Cheryl from Stack. Hi, Mike. Thank you, Mike. Come to Brazil. I don't know if I'm too far. Brazil from Philippines. Too far. Not possible to go there. Very far. Stop, brother from Rodrigo. Rodrigo, hello, brother from Mike. Hi, Mike. Bye, Stop from Rodrigo. Thank you, Mike, for joining here again. Thank you so much. Oh, maligaw man at mawala. Thank you for the 6 people in the house. Thank you so much. Please give the thumbs up to the host. Thumbs up naman. Thank you, 8 people here. Salamat. Thank you so much. Kagayog-gaya sa daraga. Are you happy, Mike? Happy si Mike. Sana all happy. Manggagana ang portress niya. Kaya kanina ay isa-isa ng gana. Oh, maligaw na. Thank you sa nag-heart. Thank you for the heart. Salamat sa heart. Ay, tapos na. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for 7 million, 8 million in the house. Thank you. Please give the thumbs up. Hi, Michael Tan. Bonjour. Bien. Michael. Hi, Michael. Merci beaucoup. Thank you for joining here again. Thank you, Michael. From France. Michael Tian from France. Thank you so much, Michael. Je t'appelle bisous à bientôt.
Ay, dam.
Merci beaucoup, Michael. Merci beaucoup. Thank you for the 7 million in the house. Thank you so much. Goodness. Thank you, guys. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. My little man. How was your day, Cheryl? My day is have a nice day. Have a great day. My day. Nice day. How about you? Good morning there and US. Stop? Ah, yes, stop in Florida. Good morning there in US, America. Good morning, America, from Philippines. Oh. Yes, 9:16 a.m. here. Okay. 9 in the morning. 9:17. Ah, same here. 9:17. Oh, 9:17 in the morning there. Here, 9:17 in the evening. Same, ano. Same. Ah, same time but different places. Different, ano. Different. Same time but different time. Because night here, morning there. Yes, 12 hours difference. Yes, 12 hours time Thank you for the email in the house. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Salamat. Thank you for the thumbs up. Oh my god, thank you. 6 million in the house. Salamat. Baka naman may pa-heart kayo. Ganon. Heart. Thank you for the 7 million in the house. Thank you so much. Thumbs up. We move our time back 1 hour in November for some reason. And then there will be a 13-hour difference. Okay, so maybe it will be 8 a.m. in the morning there and 9 p.m. in the evening here. That's it. Maybe thank you for the card. Namsek. Thank you so much. Hi to those Yes. No stop. Trump is changing. No more time change. Zone. Okay, no more time change zone. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Salamat sa nagtatawas. We will see them from Skype, from mine. Thank you for the 6 million in the house. Oh, habang ikaw man at nawala, umikot man sa Thank you. Thank you for. Hi to those watching here. Thank you. Hope you subscribe. Subscribe my channel. Thank you. Subscribe. Watch the videos for watch hours. Basketball. Sakit. Comment lang. Nalaseng kagabi. Thank you for the 6 people. For the 5 people in the house. Salamat. You notice people stop chatting when I see something. It's funny. Maybe they are afraid of me. Huh? They are afraid of you? Why? What's the reason why they are? It's not fear thing. I don't know. It's not. No reason. No reason to. You feel headache. Maybe I need money. Stuck. I don't know. Then what is it? Is stuck. It's stuck. Then what is What? Thank you for the 6 people in the house. Thank you so much. Because you are one gangster. What? One of them? I'm just wondering why people go. Sumasakit na naman ng bahay. Maligaw Cheryl, where's Jerry? Oh, please, okay. I don't know why you asking me? Oh my God. Shut up. I just know people see in other chats, but I can't answer for everyone.
Ang mga players mo, kaya mo panood sa may gilid, nakatin lang ako sa bench niyo, pero friends, lang street. Ay, wala dito sa Mantamoy, makakanit si Mendoza. Mendoza may makasanta na ngayon, nagkakita ka nila. Nakuha ni Mendoza, wala na, nakuha nila si Mendoza. Kaya si siya, tumasin. Kaya si Ayun, ako yung Mendoza pa lang naman, yung Mendoza pa lang nakuha ni Briggs. Nakuha ni
Daday. Thank you na for the 5 million dance. Basta I thought you were sending donation for her money queen, mother queen contest. You said you were gonna send. How he sent? He didn't know about the my information like cash number, like that, Bicol name. How he sent? He didn't know the information about how to send the money. The Gcash number. He still didn't know. Alvin, who gone on? Hello, Alvin. He said the device to Gcash. Yes. I don't know. I don't know what's the name. Yes, they said, but they need to know about my information, like my Gcash number, like they don't like the way that for speaking Philippines language in this channel, or the way that you talk to Sheryl sometimes. They don't like the way that you talk to me speaking Philippines language, that Philippine channel, or the way that we talk to Sheryl sometimes. Well, we're trying to say English. For one thing, I'll speak to Sheryl and she is Annie, if you want, but that's not but me, I'm not gonna ban you for that. I'm not gonna ban you for that. for the 6 million in the house and for the thumbs up. Thank you for salam. To me, it don't matter what you think. Just if they obey the rules, it's that simple. You just need to be respectful to the house. That's all I ask. A lot of people in the Philippines are not comfortable speaking English because they are not fluent in it. And they are too embarrassed to speak broken English. Yes. Yes. I feel it. Yes. That's why. That's why me too. I'm not fluent in English. That's why I'm trying to speak English to understand people here. Good morning, Cheryl. Sleep in. What a wonderful day. Thank you. Hi, Tita. Thank you. Kumusta? Good morning. Kumusta? We don't judge on how do you speak. We ask for them to try. Hi, Stat. Yeah. Good morning, Marie from Mike. Hello po. Oh my God, Tim, this is not your channel. Let Cheryl do what she wants. Hi, Tita. Hi. Tita is up. As far as the other goes, for me personally, that is between the two of you. Tita, she does what she wants. Thank you, Tim. Thank you. Thank you, Tita. Thank you. Thank you, Mike. Maligaw man. Emotional tonight. Oh my goodness. Ah! Ang intense. Thank you guys. I know all of you you want me to succeed here on my YouTube channel. Thank you, and I know you want me to be happy. You want me, all of you guys, you want to see me happy. Thank you so much. Fernandez Martinez, hello. How are you? Fernandez Martinez. Going out for breakfast with Happy. Bye for now. Bye, Tita. Thank you for joining here. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Good morning there in Canada. And good morning in America. Good morning, America. Good morning, Canada. Thank you so much for joining here. Enjoy your breakfast, Maria from Mike. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for joining here. Thank you, Mike. Thank you. Thank you, Tita. Thank you, team. Thanks for supporting right. Thank you for stopping. Bye-bye. I need to end the live now. Bye. See you later. Bye-bye. Love you all.